हम शरीफ क्या हुए, सारी दुनिया ही बदमाश बन गई।
तो यार आ तो रहे थे। Very, very special day for all of us, but also an extremely sad day. 7 years ago, 2008, the dastardly and the most vicious attack on our country, in our city, happened on the same day. So before we continue with the revelries and celebrations of things that we are going to go ahead with, as our country has taught us, as the city has taught us, in the face of fear, treachery and danger and scare, I think we should all take 1 minute, a moment of silence to give our respect to people who lost their lives, who lost their loved ones 7 years ago on 26/11.
As a Mumbaikar, I think I was sitting over here and Shahrukh sir spoke about the 26/11 incident, and as a Mumbaikar, I got really choked up. So when a person of his stature speaks, I mean, you'll report a lot of things, but please make this a headline, what he said, because because people sometimes, some section of people feel sometimes otherwise. But as a Mumbaikar, just sitting over there, I got really choked up and felt really special the way he spoke, and I'm sure aap sabko bhi laga waise. So I request anyone from the media and everyone from the media that please make this a headline, because this deserves to be a headline, what he did.
That whole thing, yeah. The whole footsteppy thingy jingy, whatever. Anyway, but it's a really cool song and we really hope you love it, and it's called Manwa Emotion Jagere, right? Jagere is Maharashtrian? Marathi? No, Jage. Manwa Emotion Jagere. Jagere. Okay, that's my Marathi side coming out.
इमोशनली इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में जो इमोशन, हाँ, जो इमोशन है इसमें, आई थिंक इट्स मोर प्लेफुल एंड फन, बिकॉज जो ये लव स्टोरी ऐसे ही शुरू होती है जहाँ लड़का ट्राई कर रहा है लड़की के लिए और उसको देख के इसके मन में इमोशन जागरूक होता है. तो आई थिंक मेरे साथ काफ़ी बार हुआ है. जब मैं पहली बार कॉलेज गया था तो रोज डे था एंड आई सॉ दिस रियली ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल, तो मेरे मन में इमोशन जगा, बट देन आई रियलाइज दैट दैट गर्ल वाज डेटिंग समवन एल्स. तो फिर एक और नया इमोशन आया. But what about you, Kriti?
क्या देख के इमोशन जागता है. आई थिंक आई रियली लव डांसिंग. सो एक्चुअली मुझे जब डांस करने को मिलता है, लाइक व्हाट यू सॉ, आई रियली फील हैप्पी.
The first film I saw on a big screen, I don't know, I think I mean, I can't even remember. I think I was born in an editing studio or something. I mean, as far as I remember, I've just been watching films or watching cinema, I mean, on TV, or whether it's in the single screens or whether it's in the multiplex era right now. But I do watch a lot of films at PVR Juhu. I'm often spotted there by the photographers as well.
There are a lot of things.
Actually, she's a different person when we are shooting a song, and she's a different person when we are shooting a scene.
Rubbish.
Yeah, she's much better. जब आप गाना शूट कर रहे हो कृति सैनन कृति स्वान के साथ, तो वो मच बेटर है. उनका मूड बहुत अच्छा रहता है, खुश रहती है. दी आई हैव सीन दिस सॉन्ग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. मैं अभी गोवा से ही वापस आया हूँ इन द 7:30 मॉर्निंग फ्लाइट, एंड जेन्युइनली मैं थोड़ा बहुत नर्वस था, क्योंकि एक तो वो डॉल्बी का इंट्रोडक्शन ऐसा हुआ कि मैंने बोला कैन वी लिव अप टू दिस. So the hype was so much, and then when I saw the song and heard it with the atmosphere and everything, I was quite happy. And this is my 13th song with Remo D'Souza, so that is also a very proud moment. It's the 11th song in a year. In 1 year, me and he have done 11 songs, which is an achievement in itself. And he couldn't be here today, but for me that is also a very emotional, मन में emotional जागने वाला चीज़.
About this song, even I saw it for the first time actually. I had seen a very short version of it, and I really loved it. I mean, I was very happy. I was telling him, "Beat mein bahut khush hu." But the locations, everything around, you know, I think it's very funky. It has a lot of color, and Remo sir's done a fabulous job with the choreography. एक तो I think coming from Tiger to Varun firstly. I think मेरी training हो रही है अभी मुझे लग रहा है because मुझे ऐसे ही dancer type actors मिल रहे हैं जो बहुत ही फाड़ू
Her
dancers
third film is with Prabhu Deva.
So, but yeah, I was a little nervous considering the fact that he was coming after ABCD 2, and I had seen, and he had become like he was dancing like a professional dancer, and of course Remo sir choreographing it. So there was this little bit of nervousness, but I think when we started rehearsing, it did go fine. I mean, the only thing with him is that you really have to push yourself to be that energetic because he's always jumping.
The two actually that I really want to do. Maybe later. I don't know whether I can or no, but Dar or Bazigar. Because this always happens to me whenever I do a lot of happy films or happy things. Suddenly my mood turns badle ki taraf. So,
There's a little dark side to it.
Team Dilwale is going to Big Boss. What is it like, and have you already planned?
we are actually, me and Kriti actually might enter the house a little early. We might do it on this 28th with Manwa. We might, I've spoken to Salman Bhai, so he said, why don't you come and get the song there? I think Shah Rukh sir might go a little later. And I think when Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan are in the same frame, I don't think you want to see anyone else. तो मैं तो नहीं जा रहा हूँ, मैं TV पे देखूँगा.
Are you expecting this to be another Dilwale Dulhania, and you wish that it goes on?
I hope. See, the idea is that we just hope people really love this film and like it and like all the characters and our
And you can't compare, yeah. They're two
I'm not
very-
comparing. I'm just saying, do you wish that a movie of yours
Take it easy, Kriti.
becomes?
No, in the sense, बहुत अलग films हैं.
Kriti.
Mr. Chip.
Yeah. अरे आप हो मैम, कैसे हो? My favorite car is actually that monster truck. क्योंकि I told Rohit sir, I said आपकी हर फिल्म में तो हीरो के पास गाड़ी होती है और वो स्किट कर रहा है, कुछ हो रहा है, पर ये ट्रक किसी के पास नहीं है.
और unfortunately ये गाने के लिए मिली है बस.
और ये ट्रक, I said I'll be the only like hero, I think in history of Indian cinema to enter on a monster truck.
For more Bollywood updates, subscribe now to youtube.com/biscuittv.